So let's do a little manufacturing math and statistics with some M&Ms. We're going to use a bag of plain M&Ms. We're going to use a 1.69 ounce bag to start with. As you know, there's all kinds of different M&Ms in all different size bags. I'm going to start with a 1.69 ounce bag, and we're going to count them, and we're going to sort them, and then we're going to do some statistical analysis with them. So first off, I want you to answer this question. How many M&Ms do you think there are in a single 1.69 ounce bag, like the one you see here? I bought mine at Kinney's, the drugstore right down the street. So go ahead, write that down in your notebook. How many M&Ms do you think are in this bag total? Okay, now, how many of each color do you think are in this bag? First of all, do you know what colors there are in a bag of M&Ms? There are 6 different colors: red, orange, yellow, blue, green, and brown. So how many of each of these colors do you think is in this bag? Go ahead and guess. Make an educated guess. Write down what you think. How many red, how many orange, how many yellow, how many blue, how many green, and how many brown M&Ms are in that bag? Excellent. So let's get started sorting them. Here's my 1.69 ounce bag of M&Ms. What I did was I broke them out and put them into a plastic baggie so that it would be a little bit easier to see what's going on. Plus, I'm going to use them over and over. Notice too, my work area, I am using a piece of parchment paper, and I am not going to eat these when I'm done because I'm touching them, and I've touched them multiple times, and there's, Lord knows, they've been sitting on this table for a while. So I'm just going to go ahead and sort them into colors. So there we go, sorted into colors, one bag. Now, how did you do? How did your total come out? Did your total come out to what the total was here? In your notes, write down what the actual total was for the 1.69 ounce bag, right next to where you guessed. Now let's take what we've learned and apply it to a larger bag. This is a family size bag, and this bag is 19.2 ounces of product. So let's take what we've learned about the smaller bag and apply it to the larger bag. What we want you to do now is take your notes out, and in your notes, estimate what the total number of M&Ms you think are in this bag and what the total number of each of the different colors are. Write those estimates down in your notebook before you go any further. So the next step in the process now is to count how many M&Ms of each color there are in the family size bag. That's the 19.20 ounce bag. Remember, in the last section you estimated, and we're going to see how close you were. So let's check it out. So I'm going to open up this bag right now, and once the bag is open, I'm going to sort it by color. And if you don't have a bag at home, you can use my data from the screen. If you have your own bag at home, you can use your bag, and then we can compare notes and compare data. So there we go. That's what it looks like, all sorted out into its component colors. We'll have some pictures in just a moment so that you can have a better chance of counting them. It's kind of a jumbled mess right now. But let's take a look at how many there are of each color now. So here are the brown ones. And here are the yellow ones. And the orange ones. And the red ones. And the green ones. And now the blue ones.